Most people think you need thousands of followers to make money with affiliate marketing, but that's actually the reason most beginners fail. What if you could earn money online without creating your own product, inventory, or customer support? Thousands of beginners are making their first online income simply by recommending products they already use. But there's one rule most people ignore, and it's the difference between earning $0 and earning every single month. In this video, you'll learn how affiliate marketing really works, how beginners choose profitable niches, and the simple system people use to recommend products online. And at the end, I'll give you a simple challenge that could help you start today. Affiliate marketing is simple. You recommend a product using a special link, and when someone buys through that link, you earn a commission. The best part? You don't create the product. You don't handle delivery. You don't deal with customer support. Your role is simply to connect people with products that help them. But here's where beginners make their biggest mistake. They promote random products instead of choosing the right niche. A niche is simply the topic you focus on. Some of the most popular affiliate niches include technology, wellness and health, personal finance, online business, faith and personal growth. The secret isn't choosing the biggest niche. The secret is choosing something you actually care about. Once you pick your niche, you can join affiliate programs that give you special links to promote products. Some beginner-friendly platforms include Amazon Associates, Fiverr, ClickBank, Impact. Each time someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. Now you might be wondering, where do you actually share these links? Beginners usually start with 3 simple platforms: a blog, YouTube videos, social media posts. For example, someone reviewing a microphone on YouTube can include an affiliate link in the description. If viewers buy the microphone, they earn a commission. But here's the rule that determines whether affiliate marketing works long term. Never promote something you wouldn't use yourself. Speaking of recommending affiliates, I use Hostinger, a hosting service and system. IO system. IO is all-in-one platform that helps you grow online. I use these 2 services myself right now. I highly recommend these 2. Find the link in the description. When people trust your recommendations, they come back again and again, and that's how affiliate marketing becomes long-term income instead of quick sales. Affiliate marketing isn't a get-rich-quick strategy, but when done with honesty and consistency, even simple recommendations can turn into daily commissions over time. Here's a simple challenge for you. Think of one product you genuinely use and love. It could be a book, a tool, an app, or something that helped you solve a problem. Now imagine creating a video or post simply explaining why it helped you. That's the beginning of affiliate marketing. And if you want to know the 7 digital products beginners are selling right now, get your copy of the ebook. You will find the link in the description below.